ownership to real mother Parul forgets Meenakshi. Star Plus popular daily show Ye Rishte Hai Pyar Ke is gearing up for a high voltage drama and twist. Meenakshi had been controlling Kunal from quite some time, while now he is aware that Parul is his real mother. On the top of it, Kunal has blamed Parul for spoiling Abir's drink and Abir is upset with him. Mishti and Abir ask Kunal to give motherhood right to Parul and here she has a plan. Here Kunal reopens a new company. Abir and Mishti thus ask Kunal to surprise Parul and here Kunal chooses his real mother Parul to inaugurate the company. Parul is all happy as finally her son Kunal is accepting her. Abir and Mishti are happy while Meenakshi is furious as she is losing her control on Kunal's life. Keep watching our channel TV Primetime for more such exciting updates and upcoming twists.